Hey everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. I'm so excited for today's video because we're about to dive into a project that's near and dear to my heart, creating a truly luxurious bathroom experience. We're talking marble, gold, gorgeous lighting, all those little details that make you feel like you're at a five-star spa. Because let's be honest, your bathroom should be a sanctuary, a place where you can relax and rejuvenate after a long day. So, if you're ready to upgrade your bathroom from basic to breathtaking, stick around because I'm about to share some seriously stunning ideas that are going to have you running for the remodel store. Let's talk about countertops for a second because they really set the tone for your whole bathroom. And when it comes to luxury, you can't go wrong with marble. I mean, is there anything more timeless and elegant? Marble just has this way of instantly elevating a space. It's like that little black dress of interior design, always chic, always in style. Plus, marble comes in so many different colors and patterns, you're guaranteed to find the perfect one to match your vibe. Whether you prefer a classic white Carrara or a dramatic black Nero Marquina, there's a marble countertop out there with your name on it. And don't let anyone tell you marble is high maintenance. Sure, it needs a little extra TLC compared to some other materials, but trust me, the luxurious look and feel are worth every single second you spend caring for it. It's an investment in your home, and more importantly, in your own personal sanctuary. Now, if there's one thing that screams luxury, it's gold. And no, I'm not talking about going full-on King Midas here. A few well-placed gold accents can make all the difference. Think about swapping out your basic bathroom fixtures for some with a little more oomph. Gold faucets, towel bars, even the trim on your mirror. These are like the jewelry of your bathroom, adding those little pops of shine and sophistication. And the best part? A little gold goes a long way. You don't need to replace everything to make a big impact. Sometimes just upgrading your faucet can completely transform the look and feel of your bathroom. And don't be afraid to mix metals. Gold looks amazing paired with matte black, brushed nickel, even oil-rubbed bronze. It's all about finding that balance and creating a look that feels curated and personal. Remember, this is your space to shine, so go ahead and add a little sparkle. All right, let's talk lighting, because nothing sets the mood like a gorgeous chandelier. And yes, you heard me right, a chandelier in the bathroom. It might seem extra, but trust me on this one. A statement chandelier can totally transform your bathroom from basic to bougie in an instant. Look for one with crystal accents for some serious sparkle, or go for something more modern and geometric if that's your style. The key is to choose something that makes a statement and draws the eye upward, creating a sense of grandeur. And don't be afraid to go big. The right chandelier can actually make your bathroom feel larger and more luxurious, especially if you have high ceilings. But even if you have a smaller space, don't worry. There are tons of stunning mini chandeliers out there that can still pack a major design punch. Okay, now let's talk about the star of the show, the bathtub. And when it comes to luxury, nothing beats a freestanding tub. I mean, just picture yourself sinking into a hot bath surrounded by bubbles with a glass of wine in hand. Pure bliss, right? A freestanding tub is an instant invitation to relax and unwind. Plus, they come in so many different styles, from classic clawfoot tubs to sleek, modern designs. So no matter what your aesthetic is, you're sure to find one that fits your space. And don't forget about the view. If you have a window in your bathroom, try positioning your tub so you can enjoy the view while you soak. Talk about a spa-like experience. Honestly, a freestanding tub is worth every penny. It's an investment in your self-care, and that's something you should never skimp on. All right, let's talk vanity mirrors, because they're not just for checking your reflection. A luxurious vanity mirror can actually elevate the entire look of your bathroom. Think of it like a piece of art that also happens to be functional. Instead of a basic builder-grade mirror, why not choose something with a little more personality? A mirror with a gold or ornate frame instantly adds a touch of glamour. Or, if you prefer a more modern look, go for a sleek, minimalist design with built-in lighting. And speaking of lighting, don't underestimate the importance of good vanity lighting. It's essential for applying makeup, styling your hair, and just generally feeling your best. So ditch those harsh overhead lights and opt for some soft, flattering sconces or a backlit mirror instead. Last but not least, let's talk about tile. Because let's be real, the right tile can make or break your bathroom design. Forget boring, basic tiles. We're going for bold, elegant patterns that make a statement. Think marble mosaics, geometric designs, or even a classic subway tile with a modern twist. And don't be afraid to mix and match different tiles to create visual interest. You can use a bold pattern on the floor and a more subtle tile on the walls, or vice versa. Remember, this is your chance to get creative and let your personal style shine through. So have fun with it. Experiment with different colors, textures, and patterns until you find a combination that you absolutely love. So there you have it, my tips for creating a truly luxurious bathroom experience. Remember, it's all about those little details that make you feel pampered and indulged. From gorgeous marble countertops to sparkling gold fixtures, every element plays a role in creating that spa-like ambiance. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more design inspiration. And be sure to let me know in the comments which of these ideas you're most excited to try in your own bathroom. Until next time, happy designing!